Let's make mango salsa.
Okay, let's get to work on this easy mango salsa recipe. We're gonna roll a couple of limes and then chop them and set them aside, and we'll move on to our red onion. We're gonna dice that up. Next up, tomato. I like to use one whole tomato.
La cucaracha, la cucaracha.
Always gotta have a little bit of fun in the kitchen when cooking. On my channel, I do have a nice video on how to cut a mango. You'll see here, I slice it in half, then I just clean up the center, and then I'll move on. I'll slice off the ends of both halves of the mango, and then I'll do a cross pattern, just piercing it all the way down to the skin. And you'll see here, I'll be able to bend it out just like a little bit of a flower almost, and it makes it much easier to slice right off that peel. Watch this. So you see here how I'm able to use my fillet knife just to slide it underneath the fruit in between the skin or the peel of that mango. And then we've got some nice chunks. Now, if you were to eat this fruit on its own, you could certainly leave it in bigger chunks. Or for the mango salsa itself, if you want to have it diced up finely, you can certainly go ahead and give it a little chop when you're done cleaning it right off the peel. Do me a favor as well, while you have a chance here, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, follow the channel so you can see more great easy recipes every time I'm cooking. Mango salsa is one of my personal favorites. I love it with nachos, with chicken, and with fish. Even with pork chops, it's fantastic. Okay, next up is that nice fresh cilantro. Well, we'll give this a nice fine chop. I like using quite a bit of cilantro and lime in my salsa. Once that cilantro is chopped, we'll go ahead and add it to our mixture. I need one whole jalapeno and one whole red bell pepper, both diced up and added into that mix. All right, everything's coming together quite nicely. We'll go ahead and we'll get our 2 limes. We'll give those a nice fresh squeeze.
Just a pinch of salt, not a punch.
And after that pinch of salt, we're gonna go ahead and add in a dash of pepper. And there goes in that fresh cilantro. Give this a great mix and you are ready to go. Mango salsa at its finest.
Mango salsa. Oh yeah.